Marami naman talaga tayong...
At least, kapag mataba, maraming pera.
Hmm?
Hindi naggaganon. Diba?
Pagpayat, nagagano. Okay.
Wala makain. Doon naman si Jar, tumaban.
Ano nagagano?
Positive.
Tumaba ka naman.
Why do you say that?
Bakit? Wala na yung barbecue tsaka yung sour cream eh.
Yung parang walang
Diba?
powder.
Masarap talaga yun. Ay, may to, barbecue to. Yan.
Yeah.
Ito, barbecue.
Ay, hindi pala. Wala na, ubos yun. Wala na, puro na. Ito ah. Puro cheese na. Ano na? Ayan siya, sis. Girl.
Hi, Eric. Eric, thank you for joining my live. Eric, you want surprises for only 100? I have 5 surprises. Kung ayaw mo, diwag.
Maganda ba? Ha?
Ayun.
Wala na kasi
Maganda.
iba. Tignan mo, wala na kasi iba. Oo. Tignan mo, oo. Hindi
Ayun,
na.
mas maganda ko dun.
Oo.
Asan na yung kanina?
Ka?
Hindi yan. Ayun ba yun?
Ito yun, oh. Ito nga yun, oh.
Ayan, maganda ko dyan. Si Jara lang hindi. Ay. Yan maganda. Wala ka patok dyan? Hindi pwede, wala dapat.
Hi, Steve.
Laki ng ganda, oh. Or natural lang yan kasi nakaganyan.
No, ito rin lang yan. Sabi na, may susi naman. Ay, babae yan.
Putok na putok ang sushi. Ito lang kasi maayos sa atin, eh.
Everything all right?
Security cameras downstairs.
Yeah.
Cameras in the work footage.
I can't leave the basement, man, but there you go.
Thanks.
Di ba yan na makikita na niya? Na gumagala pala yung animal na yun.
Ah?
Tingnan mo. Doon. Hindi mo.
Siya yan? Ano yung pagtapos?
Ayun na. Naluloka siya. Bakit may ganun? Gumagapang.
Oo, ano? Inisip niya kasi guni-guni niya lang, no?
Ang tsaka sa kaya dito kung...
Ang babae. Yung babae nag-gym. Kami nag-gym po kami.
May lunch na yan.
Hey, can I talk to you for a sec? Yeah. Excuse me. So, I thought I saw someone in the bathroom. When I went to check the security footage, I mean, I could have sworn it was her.
Meg, who's her? What are you talking about?
I need to show you something. There. What is that?
May carpan daw kami ba?
I mean,
Ayan.
it looks like a
Hmm?
shadow.
Carpan, kasi ito ang gagawin ko ano.
When that guy broke in,
Pain.
he kept talking.
Hi.
Sino?
Sila yun.
He
Si Lian,
she
ah.
wasn't really
Ikaw
dead.
na.
I looked her up. She had 3 months ago German
Ayoko short.
Chuchupain ka nun sa car.
Eh?
May asawa
You
si
know, I
Marge.
don't believe in that kind of stuff, but
Asawa siyang tomboy.
Very sorry.
Marry me. Mag-car fun tayo.
What is
Bigla ako marunong. Trabaho dito.